4 steps, 4 things to speaking fluently. First of all, name it. Look around at everything in front of you right now. Pause this video and look up and think, what do you see? Name 5 things in English. That is how we start. Look out the window in front of you and say exactly what you can see, or look on your desk and say exactly what you can see in English. The next part of that, to build on it, is be the director. So imagine you are now in Hollywood, you're creating a movie of your life. So be your director. So change from just naming it and putting it into a sentence. So instead of just saying tree, say there is a tree. The tree is blowing in the wind. This is a pen. I'm holding the pen. Build on it step by step all the time. And remember now, most importantly here's the big secret. Do not say it out loud. Say it in your mind. Only in your mind. There mustn't be any sound coming out of your mouth. So you're naming things, first of all, just list the objects. Secondly, put it into a sentence. Be the director, but in your mind. Only in your mind, so you're thinking. The next part is English only. So change your computer, change your phone, change the settings to English only. Every website that you look at, every news article that you read, set everything to English. You must only be reading in English. And again, this time, think. Reading quietly in your mind. Normally, I would encourage always reading aloud to improve speaking. But what we want to do now is think in English. So everything we're doing here, in your mind, just thinking. And the last part is to picture it. Like myself, I'm a visual learner. So picture it. So if you are thinking tree, or thinking pen, or thinking I'm holding a pen, picture it in your mind while you're thinking it. Get that visual representation of it in your mind. This one is particularly useful with phrasal verbs or idioms. Picture it. If you're learning the phrasal verb, cut off, break up, make a picture in your mind. So you're thinking cut off, think of cut, think of off, think of break up, think of break, think of up, look up, think of it. Create that picture all the time. So let's just refresh the steps here. So first of all, let me give you an example. So name it. Pen. In your mind though, you're thinking it. Be the director. I am holding the pen. I am using the pen. I'm writing with the pen. English only everywhere in your life, on all your devices. If you like to watch TV with the subtitles on in English, take the subtitles off. Just listen. English everywhere. And picture it. Any word that's new for you, any phrase that's new for you, visualize it in your mind. And so the crazy part of this is that I want you to be walking around your house or go for a walk in the park, and you're basically going to be talking to yourself all the time, but quietly. No one's going to know you're actually crazy. You're going to be doing it in your mind, thinking all the time. Tree, bench, shop, bus, car. The car is driving. The bench needs to be painted. The car is going too fast. I am hungry. I'm going to go to the cafe. All the time in your mind. You will be amazed how quickly you can train your brain in this way to think in English, so that when you're speaking now, you speak fluently. There's no hesitating. You don't sound like a robot. You've swapped your brain over as you change your language, and you think. If you found this useful for you, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts.